Well, and I laugh because one of the primary things is lighting. Like, who wants to come into a dimly lit laundromat?
Mm-hmm.
And there were fluorescent lights throughout, and sort of old, like, what is that, the casing or whatever you call it, where the fluorescent lights were.
Yeah, the housing.
The housing.
Yeah.
And so initially, Donnell and I discussed the plan for renovations, and I was like, we can put in like LED lighting, right? Because first of all, it's better energy efficiency and whatnot. Take out the fluorescents, put in the LED lighting,
The bulbs only.
the
Yeah.
bulbs, and then we'll just like paint the housing, and we'll be good. I come in, and how many do we have?
We have about 48 recessed lights, and then we have
48 recessed lights. I'm like, what happened to the LED? He's like, no, that wouldn't have looked good. I was like, oh my
Janelle, the executioner, right, is his own man, and he does what he wants.
Yeah, I was like, where are, rows and rows of recessed lighting, and now we have like chandeliers. It's like being in a living room, to be honest. It's completely
Can't